Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a login endpoint that returns an access token and a refresh token, and a secure storage strategy. Once confirmed, call /login and capture both tokens. Store the short-lived access token in memory and place the refresh token in an HTTP-only cookie or secure storage to prevent XSS. Then configure your HTTP client Axios or fetch wrapper to include authorization, bearer access on requests. This sets you up for token rotation and safe API calls. Once done with initial setup, implement an interceptor to handle expired access tokens. You detect a 401 response and pause further outgoing requests. Then you call the /refresh endpoint using the refresh token stored securely. If refresh succeeds, update the in-memory access token and resume pending requests by retrying them with the new token. Make sure to serialize refresh calls so multiple 401s trigger only one refresh. If refresh fails, clear tokens and redirect the user to log in to re-establish credentials. Finish by tightening token lifetimes and adding token rotation. Set a short expiry for the access token and a longer but controlled lifetime for the refresh token. Implement rotation. After each refresh, replace the refresh token to limit replay attacks. Make sure logout clears both storage locations and redirects. If something goes wrong, check intercepted 401 flows, ensure cookies are sent with credentials, include and enable secure same site attributes. A key troubleshooting tip: inspect network calls during refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.